Most people in the world use either Windows, macOS, or some kind of Linux distro. However, there exist extremely strange knockoffs of these operating systems. First one I managed to get my hands on is called Linux, which stands for Windows Linux. Oh my god, what is this? Welcome to the Windows 11 installer. It's called Windows 11. Next, I see Copilot. Why? Linux is easy to install, I didn't get to read it. It's pretty much just reskinned Ubuntu. Why do I see macOS buttons on something that's supposed to be a Windows knockoff? Windows 11 has been installed, you can restart, okay. And boy, so this is the default theme, there's Windows 11 Black, of course. Maybe we should install some VMware tools as well. VMware tools no longer come shipped for legacy guest operating system. Okay. I could go get it, but that's gonna take way too long. Okay. What resolutions do we have? This one maybe. So I think let's check out what is this wallpaper. It looks so weird. I don't even know what to say about this operating. It's like not even Chinese Windows. Like this is worse. Windows theme over Linux version. Microsoft Edge. Does that actually work? I think it's running through like Winboat or something. Yeah, it's like super glitchy. Welcome to your AI web browser. No, thank you. Let's check out Copilot. No, it actually works. Let's see if we can change the background, because this one looks weird. It's not even the Windows 11 background. It's a knockoff of the Windows 11 settings. It has the Windows 11 background in this picture, but when we apply the theme, it's not the Windows 11 background. Okay, this one. Why is it not on by default? Because this one is so ugly. This looks miles better, but it's still pretty ugly. And our start menu is different because we are on light mode right now. Then let's check out File Explorer. It's literally the same Linux Dolphin, but the icons are different. Since this is KDE Plasma, can I still do this one really cool trick? Let's try it. Enter edit mode, panel height. I remember you could do this. Yeah, you can make the panel fit the entire screen. That's amazing. Oh, and I messed something up. Next in the list, I have found a macOS knockoff. And this one is called Pear OS, you know the fruit. Excuse my spelling, it's Pear. Pear OS installer. God, it's even the same loading screen. Oh, and yeah, this is the latest version of Pear OS. It copied the macOS Liquid Glass theme, but here it's called not Liquid Glass, but Liquid Gel. We only have 3 languages. We have English, Romanian, and Czech. Pear OS recovery. Install. Continue. Continue. Agree, continue. Oh my god, no! They even ripped this one off. Everything is a rip-off today. English, United States, continue. They even got the animojis. Continue. What is this? Why? So I just restarted my Pear OS and it seems like we can Touch ID or enter password. Yeah, interesting. Where have I seen this before already? You can see through the window. Why does it say Pinder or something? It's like Finder but Pinder. About this Pear. Pear care and warranty. Pear drop and handoff. P-Cloud. Pear pay. Yeah, and once again I'm missing VMware tools. We don't need them anyway. How do I find the application? Oh my god. No. The new Spotlight is also ripped off. Desktop and wallpaper. Please just let me customize something. Okay, this one. This wallpaper. That looks a lot better. We can use Binder to browse our files. Okay, but we do have macOS icons. And what just happened to my cursor? They have implemented this feature in such a weird way. Like when you shake your cursor, it makes it bigger, but it stays on for too long. We have Pear Intelligence and Peary, okay, our personal assistant. Get NordVPN, get NordPass. Are these affiliate links or something? Okay, you know what? I think let's jump on to the next one. I was thinking, what do I pick for a Linux representative? Like, what would be a Linux knockoff? There's not really one Linux knockoff because everything is kind of like a Linux distro. But I did find one really interesting Linux distro, like a meme distro. This one is called Ubuntu Furry Edition. Install Ubuntu 10.4 LTS. Ubuntu is designed to be easy. Feel free to explore. Yeah, explore all the furries. Let's just wait for it to install. Installation complete. Restart now. And I can see some furries on... Oh my god, that logo as well. Okay, and we're in. I can data stream desktop. I can see my profile picture is a furry. I want to see all the furries. These are not furies. This is like a tiger. This one is like a lion or something. I don't know. I don't see the furries. I'm disappointed. Tomboy notes. Maybe there's any wallpapers, like furry wallpapers. What even is that? I don't see a furry in there. Furries. Yeah, that's a weird furry. And then this one. And that's like a lion. Do lions count as furries? I don't know. And that's just a horse. That's not... What? Ubuntu Furry Edition. So this whole operating system, the reason it's called Ubuntu Furry Edition is just because it has like very poor furry wallpapers. Tomboy nodes, more like femboy nodes. So that's kind of all I wanted to check out for today, but you might also be interested in this video right here, and I'll possibly see you there.